Hello Aquarius, welcome to your timeless readings. Okay, so whenever the time is right, it will resonate with you. I love you, and thanks for donations, subscriptions, likes. Watch my other reading. Sorry, I won't edit it. Okay, watch my other readings and all that stuff. What I was about to say, order. There may be something connected with order system. I don't know. Maybe that's why it came through. Anyways, I don't like editing unless and until it's a cut. So sending you love from Bharat, India. And let's start. Follow me on Instagram, SSHE, LLSS Shells Running. Okay. Let's be together. Let's grow together. Oh, I'm sorry. This is skipping a beat. Skipping a beat. Okay. Fine. So there's dragonfly. And in one of my readings, I said that I saw the dragonfly, but that was not the time to give away the message, okay? Now is the time. Because after that, I was visited. I saw a lot of times, like usually I see butterfly, okay? Hovering or going, or even the tiny butterfly, the big ones and all that stuff. But that day, the weather was very different, and I just looked up just by chance, and dragonfly flew. It was like a flight. Okay, so how it resonates with you guys? What is this? What is all about? So I'm going to start with my own deck here. Dragonfly. And I see like people need to stop and see, not move along with the dragonfly. So it was once that it was on my like a door. Then the second time it flew, and the third time I saw the dragonfly sitting on plant, obviously, and I just stopped there and I saw it. Okay, I saw the dragonfly clearly. So maybe this dragonfly is someone's presence, some change, or your situation, like your heart might be or must be beating very fast, and the feeling is ECG, electrocardiograph. What's up with your heart? You know. Is your heart fine? Is your heart okay? Do you feel certain kind of anxiety? Then it means that you need to take care of yourself more. Are you having some nervousness about something or anxiety about something? We often never talk about, like, this is a medical thing, but we people don't talk about, and this issue is very important. It's connected with depression and anxiety, okay, and it is okay. So this card is also giving me that vibe of that. Okay, so you need to take care. Let it beat, let it cry, let it heal. Let it. Okay, we people don't do it. Or even if we do it, because we need courage for that, right? So sometimes we don't accept. It's okay. It's okay. We need rest. Okay, many of us need rest here. So dragonfly might be telling you that just make time. Take a moment to look to your surroundings and situations and figure out what exactly, if this is about person, if this is about their feelings, if this is about you. Is your life in a hurry? Then why? What is the hurry? Many of our energies are going like they're in hurry, okay? Feeling something, and then it's like something that feels like crushing, okay? So maybe crushing feelings. This may be something that is connected with the dragonfly. Someone is hovering, someone's presence possible. If it is there, you need to figure out about that person. If it is there, okay? Let's see. There may be someone who's going to contact you. Something is also its highway call, which may be telling it's a big decision in your life, or maybe this is the only way kind of energy. So this is something that is supposed to be done on the right time, so it's highway call for some cases. It is also someone who is going to have sudden contact with you. So maybe dragonfly is that person. If it's not you, you need to stop and see, because if you won't and you move around with the dragonfly, they're going to be doing like zzz, they're going to make that sound, okay? And if you want to check on your own what that means and all that pertains with you, you can check, obviously. But with the sudden contact, this is coming as someone who is going to be present in your life. The presence will be there of someone, okay? And it's going to be that, it's going to be the time when your heart will be in this situation. Now, Librans also got this card. um, for the future readings, okay? And tables will turn. There's going to be something. Tables will turn here. And I feel this is like the turn of events wherein you are going to be the one who will say that I can't love you, or else I don't feel the same, because you hover, because you create that drama, because you do not let my heart be at peace, okay? So maybe some of us are going with the fact of like our hearts are not feeling normal, okay? When there's anxiety, then it is not supposed to be that situation. You can't love someone. Like if I don't respect the person, no matter how much I feel for them, even if I cry, if I don't respect them, I cannot even little bit bend or bow for them, okay? I cannot do that. So this is personally that I feel like I need to respect my man first, okay? And they should give me that place and aura, the ambience where they can handle me at my worst even, and I will be handling that man at his worst, okay? This is about loving the scars even, and the scars means the physical to the mental, like what you exactly feel. That is love. Like, you know, it's acceptance. It's not cheating, it's not betrayal. You need not to do it. Be loyal to the one, you know. That this is. So someone or someone exactly, maybe tables will turn and they're going to suddenly contact you and you're going to say that I can't love you. This time, it's like something that is happening here. Okay? Someone may ask yes or no, yes or no. Oh my God, I can't do it. Don't do that with my heart. Okay? And this may be connected with someone's proposal coming, ring, or maybe it was earlier. You were wearing that ring. I mean, when I am supposed to wear that ring, I want someone to give me that aura, okay? I need to respect my person. I want to love that person to the core. That look, I love you, I want a family with you, I know that you are the one. Okay? You need to be sure about it, obviously. There is a situation unfolding in your life, and it will, wherein there may be sudden contact. You're going to feel what is happening. You're going to like, I don't know what to do. That may happen, let me tell you. And with this sudden contact, tables will turn. And when the tables will turn, you're going to be like, I can't. You know, maybe someone will cracking up, okay? Let's see more. I feel this is interesting. Interesting with the fact that you're going to figure out your pathway, obviously. Can you give us Aquarius? Finale. Here they come. Someone is enchanted with you. Enchanted. They are going to be, and you might not take calls right now, or maybe it happened in the past, okay? Like not taking calls. Finale will happen, and the finale comes when everything is a mess and you know that you have to make a decision. And it is about either this or that. A finale is all about the situation that was unfinished, okay? Now what? Now what is coming here? And finale is going to be in your hands, I feel. Like it's in your city. Finale is going to be in your city, honey. Okay, so means tables will turn and it's at your place. It's in your heart. So you have the decision to make. Just take care. Take care. It's nothing to rush about, okay? So let's see what is coming. OMG. So this is about ring. Someone may end up proposing you, I'm telling you that. Or proposal is coming, or maybe you're already engaged. If that's not the case, you're already married. How it goes, how it fits you, because different cultures, different styles of, you know, the connections, of course, the proposals and the marriage concepts and all that. In here we get engaged first and then get married, kind of. Some places people get just exchange the rings and that is the wedding, and exchange of the vows the same day. So different things, okay? So ring is coming, and this is like unexpected. Someone is going to use that lamp like a, you know, Aladdin, genie. What do you want? Here you go, the ring comes. In the future that is coming. Someone is cracking up, coming out with their expression or something here. Let's see in the future what is coming for you. I feel like using this deck here. You see that? I feel like using it. Maybe I'll do. Aquarius. Someone is in demand of you understanding them, but you don't want to. This is like, I no longer wait for you. I no longer want to wait for you, and do not try to pull me down. Do not drain me. So I want to stand with my constancy, kind of like being constant, okay? And I do not trust you because you always have this upside down kind of energy, okay? Consolation. A number comes 5066 or 566, okay? You're very confident. I'm telling you that. Very confident. Now, because these are general wise, may go vice versa, but I see you very confident about your decisions. But if still lingers on, we'll see. You are not bowing, like I told you. You know, you're not bending, you're not bowing, because you need respect, honey. First, tell me what is that I want to know. Tell me what is that I want. I'm also hearing like someone may end up asking, what is that you want? And it's not material. It's not materialistic. You know what do I want. You always knew what I want or what I wanted. Look at the flip. I wanted respect. Knight of Swords energy reversed. So this is about don't create that drama. You might end up saying that. It's also do not have heated conversation with me at all. I'm not ready for that. And do not skip this. You always skip this. You skip conversation. So you will like, what is that you want? Don't skip conversations. Talk to me. Talk clear. It's also the energy of like do not react. Don't react. You don't need to. You need not to actually. Just look at the card. It's also let them speak. Hear their side, okay? If you want to. Hear their side. And it's like tables will turn. I'm telling you that. So talk. Converse with me. Okay? Can you? Chariot, there's a move. There may be Cancerian. Hermit, maybe Virgo. Someone is on the lookout for you. Princess of Swords. Okay, here you go. So you have Page coming for you guys. Again, Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius might be. Or anyone, but with the fact that there's a message coming. Page coming possible. So text message. You may expect text message. But you're all ready to, you know, you're fired kind of energy. Talk to me nicely, give time, or else don't, okay? Now, I just have one question on this. What is with Knight of Swords reverse though? Okay, so Knight of Swords reverse with Three of Pentacles energy. Someone does want to talk to you about business. Now, the business is all about what they left behind. Business related, or business something that is connected with. Again, I can't do anything out of sympathy. I can't talk out of sympathy. Look, that's so clear. But the sudden contact that might be happening, someone does want this culture to be built up. Like they want this carving, okay? They want to manifest something with you. And here you go, the message is coming definitely. Let me check, okay? So you may receive the message. I don't know what you're going to do. Look, Six of Cups. There's going to be message from the past, so possible resurgence. Resurgence possible, yeah. And you're all royal, you know, ready, and you're looking, what? Like someone is there, some message is there. Oh, yeah. Look at the confidence. I said so, you're confident. You are all crisp, I should say. And be crisp, guys, okay? You need it. There is Knight of Cups coming. Someone is coming with a feelings proposal or some stuff like that, okay? Stuff like that. You always knew. So the hanged woman is here. I just love this. Like, you usually have the hanged man, okay? You have the hanged woman. So the woman is waiting. Woman is not coming out, okay, of this cocoon kind of. So she must not be ready. She is taking the break, and she is going in for the formation of something before she makes decisions. So the hanged woman is all about figuring out, I'll come down if the justice will be served, okay? So the one is coming and the one is here. Look at the cards, these are gorgeous. The one who is coming, the arrival, and the one who is not coming down, okay? Because that's confidence, I feel, right now. Now coming, because she's going to, or he's going to though, check if it is worth talking even. I don't want any drama. So she's looking forward for the justice. There may be Libra, but Aquarians looking for justice. Second last card was Star. Justice. The King of Coins, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, and I hear Leo as well for some cases. But however, this fits you guys. This is what you want. This is like seeking security and being confidential about it, and not shit, you know, taking this as a shit. Of course, no drama. This is something that you're seeking. Okay, this is about stability, security, acceptance, and confirmation of something. Okay, confirm me this. Like, this is about future oriented. Is it worth, kind of, okay? Is it worth to let go of old and accept? Is it worth to end prior things or end the present scenario in order to accept something new, or skip this beat, basically? The last card to wind up. What is the message from the other world? Give us the message from the spirit world. Give us the message from the spirit world. Give us the message from the spirit world, please. Say, there are so many, I'm sorry. The moon might be Pisces. I think they want me to shuffle this. So yeah, the constancy card was reversed, okay? So it gave me the message of like, don't bother me. Don't bother me. Two of Swords, Judgment. Oh God. You won something recently. Won the situation and done the healing and all that stuff, but you have Two of Swords. So decision is with you, of course, but you are not ready to see it. You are not ready to even take the call possible. Which is Judgment. For me, it's a call back or the chance giving, but it's about you. Do you really want? If you take the call, then you're going to give the chance. The give the chance means receiving the call, okay, or talking to this person, because this is time when you will have the judgment in your hand. Because possible it's been long, and this Two of Swords is about decision between two, or decision about confusion, or taking the call, because it's loads and loads of misunderstandings here. Two of Swords. The situation that created this, okay? So all is all about dragonfly, huh? So someone is hovering, wanting to talk, hovering message, blah, 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 all that stuff. If it fits you guys, take care. And with this Knight of Swords, I feel that is the dragonfly. Like, so you need to see, who is that, okay? So maybe new number. Maybe the digits 5066 or 566. You may reverse it 665, 6605, kind of. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.